G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick little update on my beloved X-maxx. I've done a couple of mods to it. I've done the Max 6 conversion. I'm also doing the 2050 gearing. I've got a hot racing spur with an Armour D-safe pinion, which I had to get rid of the flat spot in the pinion with a Dremel. I'm waiting on a cush drive because my cush drive is absolutely obliterated, the little elastomer in there. I'll show you the pinion. So I've basically taken the flat spot out of that and it fits perfectly. You've got to do it with a bit of care, otherwise you might make the pinion quite wonky. That's the 20 tooth, as you can tell. And also the hot racing hardened steel spur. Like I said, the elastomer is absolutely obliterated, so I'm waiting for that to get delivered. I've also got another thing I wanted to share about the steering post mod. Now, those that bash their X-maxes, I'll just turn the thing, that post underneath there that's part of the bulkhead tends to snap off if you bash quite hard. And basically it's just a small part that breaks off and you've got to replace the whole bulkhead. So I'll show you what I've done to help with that problem. So just bear with me. So here we are. What I've basically gotten is an M5 by 12 cap head bolt. This is the set that I've used to tinker. I've got a few of these sets in different types of metal. And what I've done, I've actually drilled a 3mm hole, so if you can actually see it, and I've actually tapped it. So I could get an M3 by 30mm bolt and actually thread it in. So basically I've tried to get it as close to center as possible, but it's close. Not perfect, but it's very close. And I'll show you what I've done to install it to hopefully increase the strength of that steering post in the X-maxx. Bear with me. Right, for a bit of clarification, what I've also done, I've put a couple of layers of heat shrink tubing on there, and you'll see as it goes in underneath the X-maxx's bulkhead, you'll see that it actually just takes up a bit of the slop so it doesn't flop around. I'll show you with it installed. Now I've already put that screw in. That's the 30mm by 3mm bolt, and I put a washer under its head just to give it a bit more surface area to bite down on. And I'll show you what I've done here. I'll flip the... So basically now, all I've got to do is... Oh, these shadows are killing me. Hope you can see. You thread it in. Now you have to hold it from the top end as well. So you can sort of see as it tightens up. It looks very neat. I'll zoom in a bit. It's very neat and it actually sits in the recess. Just like that. So that actually gives it a lot more strength. Don't over tighten it. Yeah, because you might start binding up the steering. I've already tested the steering on this thing and it's not bound at all. Actually moves quite freely still. So anyway, that's my little tip. I hope it helps. And if anyone's wanting to do the same thing, good luck. Leave a comment. Thanks guys. Bye.